It's exactly 13 minutes after 7 as we enter our second hour of the Kickstart Breakfast Show. Right here on your favorite dial is Alex FM 89.1, and we elevate your mind. As promised earlier, that we're going to be joined by Brenda Magana from the Gauteng Provincial. She's the head of the Easy Pay Everywhere. So today, bazobe explain the banking options for a grant recipient. When it comes to double tinta grant. So they're here. They're going to be telling us more about it. So we are addressing some crucial issues that affect abantu abaningi like us, ikakhulukazi ku-double-tinta the access to the banking services for a recipient with grant. Like I said, there's also a common misconception that formal banking is only for high earners, but the truth is that every grant recipient have equal access to a variety of banking services designed to make impilo zibe easier for bona. So today, joining us in studio, just to shed a light, she's in the studio. Her name is Brenda Magana. Peter Sydney as well. I think there's some people but they are here, they are in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the Kickstart Breakfast Show. Sanbona
Ninjani.
Siapila Ninjani.
Nati siapila.
Very well, thank you. Eta?
My brother,
Number one. Welcome to Alex FM.
Thank you, my brother, and it's good to be here.
Awesome stuff.
Sure.
I'm going to start with this, Brenda. And I think we need to actually talk about this misconception right now. Why do you think abantabaning banale misconception of persist the formal banking is only for high income earners? And how can Mhlambe change that narrative to Aban Basekas? How do we change that?
Yeah, no, thank you for the question. I think the narrative has been there for a while. There is a perception that to bank you need to have money, right?
Sure.
So, Tina, I want to say Easy Pay Financial Services. We actually championing financial inclusion. And what is financial inclusion in layman's term? Is to actually help those people who cannot be assisted by the formal banking system. Mm-hmm. Introduce them to the formal banking processes, introduce them to the relevant accounts that are similar to any bank, and also kill that stigma that says, to have a bank account, you need to have money. So, Ronako Fako Easy Pay Financial Services, we are actually currently banking the grant beneficiaries, mm-hmm. and we give them the same offerings that they get from any conventional bank. So with this happening now, we are very saddened because people don't know what is their option in terms of choosing, the right financial partner where you can switch your card to in order to access your grants.
Sure.
And also be treated like a normal banking customer, right? Mm-hmm. Because financial inclusion basically means, the people who are underbanked and underserved, we are looking for those people, and the grant beneficiaries get the target audiences around.
So in terms of grant beneficiaries, or is it also people living with disability, different types of grants? Just clarify on that one.
So it's across board. Okay. So anybody or grant Ramutusa, starting from old age grants, child support grant, and disabilities. So renale the solutions for those people.
Mm-hmm. But here's the other one that is going on right now, especially to you, Sydney.
Yeah,
sure.
The ongoing switch from the gold card to the black card, Post Bank, caused us some frustration among abantabaning about grant recipient, like us. So what do you think is the root cause of this?
Thank you, Goods. I think what's happening is Sasa Inale, so many people, thousands and thousands of people. And sometimes it's not possible for those people to be accommodated to go post bank the same day.
Sure.
So according to SASSA, a client has a choice to choose the way they want to receive their grant.
Okay.
And then as Easy Pay, we are an alternative way. So a client can choose what the Easy Pay will account and then take the forms to SASSA, and then in that way the client has an alternative. So the client can choose any method to receive their grant. They can switch to Post Bank. They can switch to any other bank that they want to. Mm. And of course, Easy Pay, we are the banks that serve the grant recipients. So we know the market better. We understand them better. So we can able to help the client to switch their grants to us. So clients, they are free. Yarona building is here. People are there to assist them to open the grants. So we'll definitely assist them in terms of taking them to SASSA. SASSA will then capture those change of banking details.
But going back to you, Sis Brenda, what are some of the steps Easy Pay Everywhere is taking within support them recipient go this process? This transition from transition from gold to black card. And how quick are you helping them?
You see, the thing is, we understand that market better. And the steps that we're taking currently is just to be there for Bona, these people, right? So you can see our guys are out and about. Uyastola, Estrateni, under Amagazebo, like Kushilos ne branch downstairs, Lana. I mean, we're all over. We're painting the towns green. And again, Snama USSD option where a customer angastola corner. We're very active on social medias and engaging with these customers. But also, our process way too, they are very simple. We simplify the process. I mean, it takes less than 5 minutes to open the account. So Mr. Dima can attest to that. So say push a EQ. So we're saying during this difficult moment, we want to be the preferred partner to journey with them and convert the cards zabo. They can be introduced to the mainstream banking.
Awesome stuff.
Yeah.
And Mhlambe, what are some of the banking services are available for a grant recipient that are both cost effective and also convenient, especially in Jobas Pege, a recipient with grant Konala EasyPay everywhere?
As a grant earner, first thing is to open an EasyPay account. Once on an account, once you get paid, you then qualify to get a loan of up to 4,000 rands, subject to affordability, and then also you can get an insurance, which is a funeral plan. Ngukza is very much depressing. Easy pay, but we check on a funeral plan now. The next thing on a funeral plan, the person who go moshare, they are going about collecting the 10 rand. So it's about time where these people, like any other person, like Osbranda said, let them have insurance, so that in the unfortunate time of death, the money is there to bury them. And our funeral process is very quick. You come today, tomorrow, this time, the money is in your account. So that's how much quick we are. So that's the service we are giving to people that are from EasyPay, Bagola Grant. So come to us, then you'll be sorted.
It's about Mashuma Mabili Nani Mizuzu, Libumbele, let's come beside horror. You're still tuning into your favorite dial. We are on 89.1 and we elevate your mind. Currently active on our socials. Check us out. Our Facebook page is Alex FM 89.1 in studio. We are joined by EasyPay everywhere. Uprasid team as well as Sis Brenda Magana. They are in the building and we're talking about Double Tinta Easy Way. So you're talking off air right now with, hey, because Mbona Bese ring light the two sides. Let's see ring light. Angazi what kind of a light. But as we continue, says Brenda, just before we went to the ad break, Mr. Dimabeka explained some of the banking services that are available for a bank right now.
Sure.
So now for those who are digitally savvy, how can online banking help mhlawumbe ukuze bakwazi babhenke with EasyPay everywhere? And some of the challenges akhona yimaphi abawufesayo online?
Reality is everybody is now digitally savvy. I mean, people are consuming both WhatsApp, Facebook, USSD.
Abantu
abadala nabo, don't underestimate them.
Yes.
I mean, grant recipients, abantu abadala, some of them used to work. So
Sure.
They are very, very, very intelligent. So we do have those digital solutions, and I'll ask Mr. Dima just to go into detail on them. Guti, how do they access them? And if Banama challenge, how do we assist them?
All right.
So from EasyPay, we've got USSD, *120, *3737 hash. So this is where if you want to go check out balance, you can check your balance. We also have an app. So you can go to Play Store or Google Store, look for EasyPay. You'll find our app there. You can interact with our app. You can transfer, you can check balance, you can buy airtime, electricity, DSTV, you can do all these things. One of the services that we do, which is unique and good to EasyPay, we offer home services. Yesterday, I got a text. Somebody is in this place at the home. They're not able to come to EasyPay because they cannot walk, whatever the case might be. Exactly.
Yes.
So we are able to go to them.
Yeah.
So if you're in LX, you want that service, come to EasyPay, speak to one of the colleagues. They will make sure that they're there. They love it. Every time Kilimo LX, after work, they go out to customers to open accounts for them. So that's what we do. So if there's somebody at the home who's not able to walk or whatever the case might be,
Yeah.
which I shall late, speak to them. They'll definitely be able to assist to come to your house.
And mhlambe, do you run awarenesses or campaign for abantu? Do you go out to the malls? And Brenda mentioned ukuthi bayatholakala trading with gazebos. Besides that, you go out to the malls, talk to them. Do you give them that education? Mhlambe abanye mabasema queuing. Do they see EasyPay coming through as well to assist them?
We do that. I mean, we exist for financial inclusion, and those customers, they are our bread and butter, if I may put it that way. So if ungabheka Facebook yethu, we've got a lot of education stuff that is there. So sibasiza, sibafundisa in terms of how to manage your finances, where to go if you funa loan services, because siyazi ukuthi abomashonisa abakhona. So we're trying to save them from such situations. And again, also teaching them, how to manage their grant. Because a grant is an income in their lives. It's like similar to somebody kholayo emsebenzini. So hence we're saying, Tina, as EasyPay, we view them as customers in a banking system. We want to dignify their lives in a financial terms and make sure Guti, whatever they do in the financial space, bathola usizo eli right, bathola advice, and also something to add. I mean, our teams are from the same areas that they live. Exactly.
Sure.
Bakhuluma the same language. Hence, Mr. Tema said, "Siyaya laba hlala khona, izinja zakhona ziyazazi."
Yeah,
So,
but I understand.
sibomaki, we go to the same churches,
Sure.
we go to the same Stokvels. So yeah, we are actually included in their day-to-day lives, and that's make it simpler because we teach on the go.
Oh.
So even nasema molo masihlangana nabo, and I can tell you this green shirt is actually selling.
Yeah.
If sihamba la estrateni nge green shirt, sithola abantu
everywhere.
basimisa,
Yeah.
hey, hello.
Umuntu ongazi ngathi niyacampaign.
Yeah, exactly.
Umuntu angavela athi, hey,
Yeah, so-
So you know, one of the things that we do, if you can go to Alex Mall where
Sure.
they're changing cards,
Yeah.
you'll see Wakazibo outside the mall. We were there to make sure that people see us. And I was be like he said, I mean, this green shirt, we were Golden Walk last week. I just said, 10 of us, let's just go in the mall. We're not talking to anybody.
Yeah.
We just walk. They stopped us every corner. That's how much powerful this green shirt is.
But before we let you go, guys, kunabantu aba committed, especially abantu abadala, they commit to their banks. They don't want to change their cards. Right now kunabantu abaswitch out, but in order for them mhlambe ukuze switch ama-card or explore the new banking options with you guys, what advice would you give them?
So number one, come to us, EasyPay. What you say is very correct. Elderly people are very loyal to their bank, are very loyal to where they bank. Unfortunately, now is a time for you to change. As EasyPay, once you come to us, we're not going to change. So you come for us once and you'll be there forever. So come to us, try us. We will definitely give you the experience that you want. We'll take care of you. We understand that this might get better. We are the preferred grant bank as EasyPay.
All right, Osby, your last words to Mpaka Alexander as we close it off.
Firstly, let me thank them for those who've chosen us already. And I'm also inviting abanye ukuthi buyane ekhaya.
Yes.
Izinto ziyahlangana la EasyPay. Buyane nizothola usizo elinifanele because we exist for you and we want to dignify your financial lives.
Awesome stuff. Sis Brenda Magana, the Gauteng Provincial Head of EasyPay Everywhere, alongside the Sydney team, our very own. Thank you so much for coming. Ngithanda ngoMakhatla ke. Yeah, uyasihlangana endaweni zethu zasemakhoneni.
Okay.
As long as business imali yabo gogo. Si busy nani. Ngiyadala man. Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate your time.
Siyabonga,
Wish you all
thank
the
you.
best.